Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram stories. So go ahead and open up Instagram, log into your account, and begin creating your story. So go ahead and go and tap on your story there like you're just creating a normal Instagram story. And then once here, go ahead and select the video that you want to select. So for me, I'm going to select this one here of my daughter here, and I'm going to go ahead and mute that. And so what we would want to do is once we're here and we have the video portion of our story, we want to tap on the sticker icon, which is the little smiley face icon there at the top of your screen. If we tap on that, a whole bunch of things will become available to us here. The one we want to select is the one there that says music. If you don't see it, just tap into your search bar and just type in the word music, and it should be one of the first options there. Go ahead and tap on the music tab there. It's going to bring up a bunch of popular trending songs that's pulling from Instagram. You can see this tab here says For You, and then you can even tap on the Browse tab to actually go and see other popular songs from different genres. And then if you go to the bottom there, you can select the genre of choice. And then you can go ahead and have moods and themes. So let's just say you want it to be very bright sounding. It'll bring up a bunch of songs that are very bright sounding. And then what you would want to do is just select the song by tapping on it. And then once you do that, some songs will actually have lyrics available. So we're actually going to go back and I'm going to show you one that has lyrics available. As you can see, I've selected another song. And as you can see here, it's going to show you kind of the lyrics as they come up here. And then if we go and drag that, you can see the different lyrics. So drag it left or right as to where you want the song to go into place here. So we scroll left here and we can see as it's playing, you can see those lyrics and you can kind of see exactly which ones you want to place on top of your little video or story here. Once you're good to go, you just hit done as normal. And if you want to reselect the song, all you would need to do is just tap on the album artwork there at the top of your screen, and then it'll take you back to the song selection screen. Now, if you want to select a song that's not included in Instagram, so basically any song of choice, there's a number of ways of doing that. I'm not going to really show you a bunch of those workarounds, but you can download something from like your Apple Music or Spotify. Make sure you download it for offline play, and then start recording a video and then play the music through your device, and you can record it that way. That's kind of a sketchy way of doing it, but it's probably the easiest way. And then just use a mobile video editor to just basically place or transpose that audio on top of your video. So if you want to do like any audio cue or audio bit from a song that's not listed here within Instagram, you can do it that way, one of the workaround ways. But I would much prefer just selecting one that Instagram kind of rotates through their popular or trending songs here. And then you could even have the really cool feature of the lyrics kind of popping up on your video, which is a really neat effect as well. All right, with all of that being said, that's how you do it. That's how you add music to your Instagram stories. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this video helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video.